anoigoro otakororeka o Yeso no bonene no wanchani waye.
Tell me the story simply as to a little child.
For I am weak and weary and helpless and defiled.
Tell me that old story. Tell me that old story. Tell me that old story of Jesus and His
boronge neriogirigia naringin monyavive Yeso agantoria.
Ponyoroke Injili wotokonyavuya
Obeko montobuya kero keme chando.
Tell me that old story. Tell me that old story.
Tell me the story
of Jesus and His love. Daddy, tell me the story.
Okay. At one point, when Jesus was on earth, some children were brought to him, such that he could bless them.
Okay.
Then the disciples tried to turn the children away. But Jesus said, "Let the little children come to me, and do not hinder them, for the kingdom of God belongs to such as these."
Tell me more.
And now, Jesus was displeased with his disciples for their actions.
So what happened?
He then blessed the children.
Oh, I see.
Do you love my story?